stop scrolling right now because this video could change your life. If you are in the USA and you don't have a degree, no special skill, no experience, and no big money to invest, but you still want to start earning this week, then this video is for you. Because today I'm going to show you how normal people in America are earning $20, $30, even $50 per hour, doing simple handyman and helper jobs. No office, no boss, no fancy certificate, just simple work and real money. So watch this video till the end, because the last part might be exactly what you need to hear. What is the scope of handyman or helper work in the USA? Let's talk about demand. In America, people are busy, very busy. Most people don't fix things themselves anymore. They hire someone. And the demand is huge for simple jobs like furniture assembly, mounting TVs, hanging curtains or pictures, lawn mowing and yard cleanup, moving help, garage cleaning, and replacing light fixtures or fixing door handles. In almost every city, New York, Texas, Florida, California, there is daily demand. Elderly people, working professionals, single parents, they all need help. And here's the good part. These are small tasks, not construction work. Simple help. And people are willing to pay good money for it. Are you starting from zero? It's time to change that. It's not about having the perfect tools or a fancy website. It's about your mindset. Don't call yourself a handyman yet. Call yourself a helper. Grounded, realistic, and ready to work. That's how you build trust. Learn for free and earn while you learn. Assemble the skills as you go. No website, no degree, no investment. Just pure opportunity on the platforms you already use. Post your offer. Be reliable. Be honest. Be the person who shows up. Consistency, honesty, action. These are your real tools. You don't need permission to start. You just need to start. Let's talk about something practical. What do you actually need to start this work? Here's the truth. Not much. You don't need a big truck. You don't need expensive equipment. Just basic starter tools. A simple screwdriver set, a hammer, a measuring tape, an adjustable wrench. That's enough to begin. A basic drill machine? You can buy that later when you start earning. You can start with less than $100. Yes, under $100. And if you truly have no money at all, that's still not an excuse. Start with jobs that require no tools. Cleaning, moving help, yard work, organizing. Zero investment, only effort. In the USA, what matters most is not your degree. It's simple things. Be on time, be respectful, do clean work. That's it. Professional behavior is more powerful than a diploma. Skills can be learned, tools can be bought, but attitude, that's what gets you hired again. Start small, stay professional, grow step by step. How much can you earn? Now let's talk about money. Helper level jobs, $20 to $40 per hour. Basic handyman jobs, $40 to $80 per hour. Experienced workers, $300 to $500 per day. Even if you earn just $25 per hour and work 6 hours daily, that's $150 per day, $750 per week, around $3,000 per month. And remember, this is beginner level. As your reviews improve, your rates increase. After 6 to 12 months, you can even start your own small handyman business. Let me tell you something honestly. No one becomes successful by waiting. Every successful person started small. Maybe you don't have a degree. Maybe you don't have connections. Maybe you don't have money. But you have your time. You have your energy. And you have today. If you are in the USA and serious about earning, this is a practical opportunity. Start small. Start simple. Start today. Comment below which state you are in. I will try to guide you according to your area. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs work, and subscribe my channel Earn Easy, because in the next video, I will share another real earning opportunity in the USA. Remember, money doesn't come from excuses. Money comes from action.